wezokuthutha KwaZulu-Natal uthi ithimba lamaphoyisa omgwaqo lizosebenzisa ezobuchwepheshe obusezingeni eliphezulu njengengxenye yokuqinisa umthetho. Lokhu kuhlanganisa nokuhlonzwa kwezimoto ezebiwe nabashayela bephuzile.
In the past, to build and design a road, it was going to take you probably 5 years developing the tool. These days, you could just finish a platform only on the AI as the toolkit. The algorithm is going to detect and tell you the statistics that if you have vehicles, like for example, 160,000 vehicles that are entering the Maran Hill Toll Plaza every day, it is because of the data formulation that you have, and it will then drive and give you the solution.
Umnyango uthi ubheke ukusebenzisa ezobuchwepheshe ukusheshisa izinhlelo ezisilele emuva zokulungiswa kwengqalasizinda omgwaqo namabhuloho.
With a backlog of about 19 billion, it's very difficult for us to accelerate the construction of road infrastructure. That is why the MEC sponsor to me said, let us look at the utilization of the cutting-edge technology to accelerate the construction of road infrastructure, the construction of bridges.
Ingqungquthela i-Artificial Intelligence Summit ihlanganisa abaholi kuhulumeni, amabhizinisi nezobuchwepheshe ukubheka ukuthi ubuchwepheshe be-AI buziguqula kanjani izimboni kulesikhathi samanje.